Are you wondering what you could actually do with a tiny house? Here's the truth. Tiny houses aren't just about downsizing, they're about stunning design and endless possibilities. I just found 10 incredible tiny house plans on Etsy that'll show you exactly what's possible, from backyard studios to full-time homes with roof decks. Here's what you're getting today. 10 stunning tiny house plans that prove small living can be absolutely beautiful and incredibly functional. Stick around, because I'm breaking down each design and showing you what you could do with them. Let's dive in. House number 1, 5x10 meter small house with roof deck by Barrio Architect. Let's kick things off with something that punches way above its weight class. This modern 5x10 meter tiny house may be compact, but it delivers a big lifestyle with a clean design and a stunning roof deck on top. From the outside, the home has a fresh contemporary look with simple lines, a welcoming front entry, and a small balcony that adds extra character. One of the standout features is the rooftop deck, which turns the home into a true indoor-outdoor space, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or enjoying the view without increasing the home's footprint. Inside, the layout is smart and efficient, making the most of every square meter. The ground floor features a comfortable living area that flows into the kitchen and dining space, creating an open and airy feel. A private bedroom is tucked neatly to the side for quiet and rest, along with a well-planned bathroom. A staircase leads up to the roof deck, adding a unique second level without adding extra rooms. With a total built-up area of 90 square meters, this tiny house plan proves that smart design and vertical space can create a home that feels modern, practical, and surprisingly spacious. For anyone thinking about building an ADU in their backyard, or wanting a vacation property that feels special, this is your answer. The modern design means it'll look good in 20 years, not dated. And that roof deck? That's your secret weapon for making 976 square feet feel like a mansion. House number 2, 690 square feet, modern tiny villa, home con studio, modern tiny villa house. Plan, 1 bedroom, 690 square feet, PDF plus DWG, Etsy. Now, if you want something that feels more substantial, let me introduce you to house number 2, a 690 square foot modern villa by Home Con Studio that's designed as a reinforced concrete structure. This modern tiny house packs a lot of style into a compact 64.10 square meters, blending clean lines, natural textures, and large windows that make the home feel bright and open. From the outside, it has a sleek contemporary look with a slightly sloped roof and a strong connection to the outdoors. The design easily allows for optional exterior features like a deck or outdoor lounge area, giving homeowners flexibility without complicating the layout. Inside, the floor plan is simple, smart, and very livable. The heart of the home is the open lounge and kitchen area, offering 33.90 square meters of comfortable space for relaxing, cooking, and entertaining. The bedroom is generously sized for a tiny house, with enough room for storage and easy movement, while the bathroom is compact but well laid out for everyday comfort. Overall, this tiny house plan proves that you don't need a large footprint to enjoy a modern, functional home that feels both cozy and spacious. House number 3, 10x20 cabin with terrace by Cabin House Plans. House number 3 is where modern design meets cozy cabin vibes, and I'm kind of obsessed with it. This is a 10x20 foot tiny cabin from Cabin House Plans, and it's only 196 square feet. But don't let that number fool you. This modern tiny cabin proves that small living can still feel stylish, warm, and inviting. With its clean lines, sloped roof, and natural wood finishes, the home blends beautifully into outdoor settings and works perfectly as a backyard ADU, guest house, or private retreat. Large glass doors bring in plenty of natural light and open directly to an optional terrace, making the cabin feel bigger than its compact footprint. At just under 200 square feet, this design is all about smart living without wasted space. Inside, the layout is simple and efficient, designed to make everyday life easy. The open main area combines the living space, kitchen, and dining zone in one comfortable room. The bedroom is positioned for privacy while still feeling connected to the rest of the home, and the bathroom is neatly tucked away with everything you need. House number 4, 18 by 19, cabin house by Cabin House Plans. Let's talk about house number 4, because this one's a crowd pleaser. It's an 18 by 19 foot cabin from Cabin House Plans, and at 342 square feet, it hits that sweet spot between tiny and comfortable. This modern tiny cabin delivers a clean, boxy design with a warm, welcoming feel, making it a great option for a backyard ADU, vacation retreat, or full-time small home. The flat-sloped roof, large floor-to-ceiling windows, and simple exterior lines give the house a modern look while still feeling cozy and livable. A front deck extends the living space outdoors and helps the home feel larger than its compact size, especially with all the natural light coming through the glass doors. Inside, the layout is open and easy to live in. The main living area combines the kitchen, dining, and lounge space into one bright, open room that works perfectly for daily living or relaxing. The bedroom is placed toward the back of the house for privacy, while the bathroom is efficiently designed and easy to access from both the bedroom and living area. With a total of 342 square feet, this tiny house plan shows how smart design can create a comfortable, functional home without feeling cramped. House number 5, 18 by 22, tiny house with terrace by House Plans. 16. House number 5 takes everything we loved about the last one and adds just a bit more breathing room. This is an 18 by 22 foot tiny house from House Plan 16, coming in at 396 square feet. This charming tiny house blends modern simplicity with a warm cabin feel, making it a perfect choice for a nature retreat, backyard ADU, or minimalist full-time home. The clean exterior lines, light wood siding, and sloped roof give it a fresh, inviting look, while the covered front terrace adds a cozy outdoor space for relaxing or entertaining. Large windows and sliding doors bring in plenty of natural light and help the home feel open and connected to its surroundings. Inside, the layout is smart and easy to live in, offering 396 square feet of well-used space. The open concept living and kitchen area sits at the heart of the home, creating a bright and comfortable space for everyday living. The bedroom is tucked away for privacy and sized to feel comfortable without wasting space, while the full bathroom is neatly designed and easy to access. This tiny house plan proves that with the right layout, a small home can feel practical, stylish, and surprisingly spacious. House number 6, 10 by 21, modern tiny house with rooftop terrace by House Plans. 16. All right, house number 6 is where things get really interesting. This is a 10 by 21 foot modern tiny house from House Plan 16, and it's only 210 square feet, but it comes with a rooftop terrace that completely changes the game. This modern tiny house is all about clean design and smart use of space, making it a perfect escape for nature lovers or anyone looking to live simply. The exterior features warm wood siding, large glass doors, and a bold rooftop terrace that adds extra usable space without increasing the home's footprint. The elevated deck and rooftop access give this tiny house a high-end feel, turning a compact structure into a stylish and flexible retreat. Inside, the layout keeps everything open and easy. The main space combines the living area, sleeping zone, and kitchenette into one cozy, open-concept room that feels bright and uncluttered. Large windows bring in natural light, helping the space feel larger than its 210 square feet. The bathroom is tucked neatly to the side, offering full functionality without wasting space. This tiny house plan is a great example of how smart design and simple living can create a modern, comfortable home in a very small footprint. House number 7, 12 by 20, cabin house. House number 7 is a beautiful example of how to do tiny living right. This is a 12 by 20 foot cabin at 240 square feet, and it's all about smart design and natural beauty. The exterior is stunning, a clean gable shape, warm wood siding, and a large glass front wall that floods the interior with light. There's a small front deck that adds charm and creates an easy indoor-outdoor flow. This is the kind of cabin that makes you want to grab a book and a cup of coffee and just exist. This beautiful tiny cabin blends modern design with a cozy, natural feel, making it perfect for a backyard retreat, off-grid escape, or minimalist full-time living. The clean gable shape Warm wood siding and large glass front wall give the home a bright and inviting look while letting in tons of natural light. A small front deck adds charm and creates an easy indoor-outdoor connection, helping the cabin feel larger than its compact size. Inside, the layout is simple, open, and very functional. The main living space combines the lounge, kitchen, and sleeping area into one open room, keeping everything easy to move around and visually connected. The kitchen is neatly placed along one wall, while the bathroom is tucked to the side for privacy without breaking the open feel. With 240 square feet of well-planned space, this tiny house design proves that smart layouts and good design can turn a small footprint into a comfortable, stylish home that's easy to build and easy to live in. House number 8, 16 by 20, Cabin House by Oda Architecture. House number 8 strikes a perfect balance between modern design and cozy cottage vibes. This is a 16 by 20 foot cabin from Oda Architecture, totaling 320 square feet, and it's designed to be both stylish and highly livable. This modern tiny house blends clean design with cozy cottage vibes, making it a great option for a backyard studio, granny flat, or minimalist full-time home. The exterior features a simple gable roof, warm wood accents, and large sliding glass doors that fill the space with natural light. A front terrace extends the living area outdoors and helps the home feel more open and inviting, even with its compact footprint. Inside, the layout is smart and comfortable, offering 320 square feet of well-planned space. The open living area flows directly into a functional kitchen, creating a bright and easy space for everyday living. The private bedroom is tucked away for quiet and rest, while the bathroom is efficiently designed to save space without sacrificing comfort. This tiny house plan shows how good design, natural light, and smart layouts can turn a small home into a stylish and highly livable space. House number 9, 20 by 20, Loft Home by Dream Home Plan. House number 9 is where we start playing with vertical space in a really smart way. This is a 20 by 20 foot modern tiny cabin from Dream Home Plan, and it packs 400 square feet of interior space plus a generous front porch into a compact footprint. This modern tiny cabin packs serious style into a compact 20 by 20 foot footprint, blending clean modern lines with cozy cabin charm. The dark exterior, warm wood accents, and wide front porch give it a bold yet welcoming look that works perfectly as a backyard ADU, vacation rental, or weekend escape. The slightly angled roof and high windows bring in extra light and create a spacious feel, while the front porch adds a relaxing outdoor space for morning coffee or evening downtime. Inside, the layout is designed to feel open and efficient. The main floor features an open living area that flows into the kitchen, making the space easy to use and great for everyday living. A full bathroom is neatly tucked to the side, keeping everything functional without wasting space. Above the main level, a cozy loft bedroom provides a private sleeping area while keeping the footprint small. With 400 square feet of interior space, plus a generous front porch, this tiny house plan proves that smart design and simple living can go hand in hand. This plan is optimized for ease of permitting and construction, with detailed drawings, wall sections, and structural information. You're getting a full digital PDF set that's ready for your contractor or local architect to review. House number 10, 4 by 7 meters, 2-story house by Tiny House Floor Plan. Let's wrap up with house number 10, which proves that small doesn't have to mean cramped. This is a 4 by 7 meter 2-story tiny house from Tiny House Floor Plan, totaling 56 square meters or about 600 square feet. This modern 2-story tiny house proves that small doesn't have to mean cramped. With its clean boxy design, flat roof, and simple modern lines, this 4 by 7 meter home looks sleek, stylish, and perfect for urban lots or backyard ADU use. Large windows and a small upper balcony bring in natural light and add a sense of openness, while the compact footprint makes it easy to fit into tight spaces without sacrificing comfort. Inside, the layout is smart and practical across 2 levels. The ground floor is designed for everyday living, with an open living area connected to the kitchen, creating a comfortable space to relax and dine. A full bathroom is also located on this level for convenience. Upstairs, the home features 2 compact but well-planned bedrooms, making this tiny house ideal for a small family, guests, or even a home office setup. With a total of 56 square meters, this tiny house plan shows how vertical design can turn a small footprint into a fully functional modern home. The plan includes floor plans with full dimensions, elevation drawings, and door and window schedules. You're getting professional level documentation that makes construction straightforward. So, there you have it. 10 stunning tiny house plans that prove you don't need thousands of square feet to live well. From the 5 by 10 meter house with the incredible roof deck to that smart 2-story design that fits 2 bedrooms in a 4 by 7 meter footprint, each of these plans offers something unique. Here's what I want you to take away from this. Tiny living isn't about sacrifice. It's about intentionality. It's about choosing quality over quantity, experiences over possessions, freedom over mortgages. Every single one of these plans is available on Etsy right now, most for under $50. That's less than you'd spend on dinner and drinks, and you're getting complete construction documents that could change your life. Whether you're looking to build a backyard ADU for rental income, create a vacation retreat, or embrace full-time tiny living, one of these plans is your answer. The hardest part isn't building the house. It's making the decision to start. And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button because I'm releasing a whole series on tiny house construction, and you won't want to miss it. I'll see you in the next one.